Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and your GFL TV, the home of football. So if today not the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with today's morning show. First of all, when I'm over say the show they come late, I had some little emergency I had to take care of. Yeah, so that's why the show they come late. So when I accept my apology. All right, so let's proceed. So, cut off side going to give us an exclusive report. Say Arsenal they consider going back for Dusan Vlahovic in January. In fact, as I see the report, I was somewhat surprised. I say, you serious? So they say exclusive. Arsenal ready to bring forward striker transfer to January following major developments. Now, when you read the entirety of this report from the cut-off side, it says Arsenal are considering bringing forward their plans to sign a new striker, with the Gunners looking closely at Juventus frontman Dusan Vlahovic as an option in January. Now, sources with a close understanding of Arsenal's plan have informed cut-off side that the North London Giants have been keen to bring in a new centre forward, with the feeling being that they will be prepared to wait. There'll be one wait for Benjamin Sesko, but based on the way things they go now, they can really say, okay, based on Vlahovic's contract situation, say he never agree a new deal for Juventus, and based on new coach don't come in, and Thiago Motta will be the new coach. That man they very very ruthless. You see the way they pursue Federico Chiesa, pursue many people. Let them know say, oh man, I don't get feature for here. Get so now we the say the man they interested in signing Benjamin Sesko. So probably why did they get some issues with Dusan Vlahovic? I know say I thought I really bad that Dusan Vlahovic is still 24 and the guy be like Giants. So and it don't really cost that much. So that's why I asked them the reason now. So they say cut off side understand this has also seen Juventus look closely at Sesko as a possible target to replace Vlahovic up front, which could cause a domino effect that Arsenal can take advantage of. Now, with Juventus keen not to lose Vlahovic on the cheap, it could suit them to let the 24-year-old leave this winter with Arsenal seemingly ready to speed up their pursuits of a signing up front. So this na deal we say every party go dey happy. Vlahovic go join club, we really bad one, we really like him. Look, manager, we really want main play for him. You get? So that one self makes sense. And if you check, the coach said the pursue Benjamin Sesko. In fact, make I even pause a break. You wanna remember? Say this same Juventus under Thiago Motta be one sign Joshua Zexi. When we say that time when the news come out, I can ask one question, say, how can Juventus have Joshua Zexi? Have Vlahovic? How they want to play? Who go come be first choice striker? And everly, Zexi go dey ahead of Vlahovic because Zexi na person we say the coach don't work with before for Bologna. So it go dey very, very easy for two of them to just work together again. That was why the deal no go through. And the deal no go through because Bologna dey vex for Juventus hierarchy on the way where they take collect Thiago Motta. That's why people like Calafiori, Joshua Zexi, they no join Juve. That Juve they for just join first choice. The same thing why they talk now they happen for Manchester United. Manchester United now have Joshua Zexi, they have Rasmus Højlund. How the manager want to manage the egos and everything, that one at their own pot of rice. So we never really know. But one thing is certain, Thiago Motta, since he cannot get Joshua Zexi, he now wants to get Benjamin Sesko. So we'll watch how all these things will play out. For me, I would take Vlahovic any day, anytime. The guy is very, very good. And I'll be like Giants for up front there. If they're good, it will make sense. In the women with Sesko, now the same age range. And what I like Vlahovic say, you get more experience actually. You know, people will say, hey, I never mature enough. But more just the watch. Like people will talk, say, CHUKS, now it's just interest. Baba, more the positive. I know, say, at that time, know the problem we'll get, so we no go striker. And then they try to address this thing. So we just get patience and see what Ateta is cooking. Now, Bakary Sagna, on the other hand, can they advise Arsenal to sign this Victor Gyokeres? I'll be one talk Vlahovic. When they sign Victor Gyokeres, say, this boy, what you see, he's very, very clinical. And he's very different from what we are used to. So Bakary Sagna, all this Arsenal to sign amazing 26-year-old forward as the striker. In fact, this was the story was supposed to be the headline story, our thumbnail. Until I consider Vlahovic, that Vlahovic I go use. Now they say former Arsenal defender Bakary Sagna has urged the club to think about renewing their interest in Swedish forward Victor Gyokeres, as per a report from the Metro. The Metro now put out that report. And Babakon talks say, I'd like to see Arsenal go for Victor Gyokeres. He's amazing. He's a pure striker who would offer some depth to Arsenal. He's quite tall. The kind of tall pass Osimhen. You know, somebody tell me, I guys go check him. It's taller. If you look Osimhen, go see Osimhen tall. Vlahovic top. I say Vlahovic. Gyokeres top person. For it to, so that's why Sagna called the talk say he's quite tall. So whenever the team are out wide, they can cross the ball a bit more than that's been the missing bits for me. Now moving on, they said they need to find a solution in and around the box, but sometimes you just need to put it in the box. He'll help them be dangerous from crosses and set pieces, and in open play is clinical and something different he added. So more just to watch. Now, still on this Gyokeres. Gyokeres matter on tire up now. Now, remember, say Manchester United carry Viana will be like the sporting director of Sporting Lisbon, come Manchester City. So now they're in there now. Now, when you say this man will bring from Sporting Lisbon, 9 days responsible for bringing Gyokeres from Coventry City. And now he don't reach out to the entourage of Victor Gyokeres, make it consign for Manchester City, because the reason say the way where Elialan they move, the guy will sign contract extension and they might likely end up at Real Madrid. That's what they are fearing. That's what they are scared of. So then the reason say, okay, if that be the case, our plan B na Gyokeres. So they won't sign the Gyokeres. And remember, say one of the strikers will go Atletico Madrid. They never say replace that one. You get so these are all the things on the front burner. In fact, when you read the entirety of the report, they say Haaland's deal with the Citizens is up in 2027. And while there have been reports that talks are on the way, there have been little apparent progress made. As such, Sky Sports reports that Pep Guardiola's team are planning for the worst, with Real Madrid looking to potentially rid them of Erling Haaland. Now, that means making a move for Victor Gyokeres. Gyokeres, meanwhile, is a long-time Arsenal target. And football transfer, they review say last summer, Ateta in priority, but it not really work out because of the money where Sporting Lisbon they call, and that money they still stand for. Say now so it go be. Now this Gyokeres just got 13 goals in 13 games for Sporting Lisbon this season, making him a player to watch during the January transfer window. However, already Man City don't in contact with his entourage. Hugo Viana has made the Swedish striker a priority and wants to build the backbone of his Manchester City project around him, Sky Sports reports. So these are reports coming from Sky Sports. So the thing now add a little twist now for this Gyokeres matter. We asked now one sign, but more just a watch. I don't know how it will be, but more just a see. Now, Sky Sports paper talk of this morning, this was the headline. Bah. Say Bukayo Saka hoping to be fit for Arsenal versus Liverpool after hamstring injury. You get so now waiting the Mirror itself talk yesterday. Say Saka they hope to be fit to face Liverpool in Sunday's title showdown. The Arsenal winger is battling to be ready for this weekend as he hopes to return to full training. On a good news, I want to say making a return. Another thing we want to hear be say Jack Wilshere they give him blessing to Arsenal coaching or replacement. The person will go really replace him. So you don't tell the person, Baba, I give him my blessing, you go do well, and that is Adam Bichal. So he was Jack Wilshere's assistant at Arsenal where they trained the under 18 together. So now if say Wilshere don't go join Norwich. So this man now go there in charge now, handle all our smally for us, and wish him all the best in this new role when done day now. Now, is it today? I get many news where for use my thumbnail, where for use my headline. This one said now one of them. Arsene Wenger come make brutal prediction of Arsenal striker Kai Havertz. But they give an opinion about the type of player where Kai Havertz be. Now they call the ask and say if they say making choose between Kai Havertz and Harry Kane, who will be the choice for him? So Babakon they talk say, well, impress Kai Havertz for Kai Havertz's contribution to Arsenal's recent success, but in fears we say Kai Havertz will never develop into a prolific goal scorer. This is a very big statement. This is a bold statement. Wenger believes Havertz's all-round contribution to Arsenal cause means he merits such a prominent place in Arteta's plans, but cautioned that expectations must be tempered when it comes to goal scoring exploits. Make we not expect this guy to score 20 goals for us in the season. So no be waiting we will see. Now, you got to say Havertz is more of a contributor to the all-round game. Defensively, he works hard. Offensively, he scores less goals than Kane and will never score the number of goals Kane scores. He's more of a number 10 and a half or a 9 and a half. Kane is a center forward, and they're different. Kane plays for a long time in a team that didn't win, blah, 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 blah. this statement, all of foul, he go far, don't say this guy can never be as clinical or prolific as we want. He go far, gone. Probably why at that time they realize, okay, we could go get another striker. That's why they hustle. So okay, let's go and see what we can do. Now, just ask now, they let us know, say there are fears that Calafiori may have damaged his ligaments. How true is this? Nobody knows. So everybody still the waits. Make we know the prognosis, more know the scan results of what they really do Calafiori. More know how long he will be out, or whether they serious, because we don't know how serious it be. I said and talk Saka on, they serious. The doctor come say, and hamstring raised to power 0. Nothing. It's just a discomfort. How many days don't pass now? Nothing. We never see anything. So more just the watch. I wish him all the best. Make him go injured too much. Now we're going to get the reason behind Arsenal's Emirates Stadium expansion plan. So the contact saying that because Arsenal one day close to the type of revenue where Tottenham Hotspur they generate for a stadium. Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, according to what we hear, is just 2,000 capacity ahead of Arsenal. Arsenal is 60,000, Tottenham Hotspur is 62,000 from what we hear. So Tottenham Hotspur they generate more money in a season. You get last season, I say Arsenal generate like 90-something million. You get for ticket sales. So they say the Emirates currently holds over 60,000 fans, which is an increase, 20,000 increase from the hybrid. Hybrid now 40,000. Emirates now 60,000. However, the Gunners are now looking to expand again to boost their income. According to the Times, Arsenal want to increase the stadium capacity because of revenue. They say that 98.3 million we collect for match day revenue, according to Statista, last for the 2022-2023 season. You get so, but they say Tottenham Hotspur their own now 100. I think is in the next slide. Tottenham Hotspur generates 170 million. That's about 20,000 more and 20 million more than us. So they say Tottenham Hotspur Stadium not only holds over 2,000 more than the Emirates, but they have made more of a concerted effort to boost those events at the ground. So they are saying they're not too bigger than our own, just 2,000 difference. But Arsenal won't close down the gap to see whether they will fit expand that the more just to watch. Anyhow will be, I will let you know. See, I try to hasten the show so that I go fit post them on time. Make I not too make them too long. Now they say Norway coach come the talk say they go call Odegaard next month for friendly, because according to Norway coach, say what you remember for Odegaard and make it start to train for ground, train with people, contacts. They say everything they go well. They say everything indicates that they are and things are going to plan. So it's about the last steps when you have to train with the opponent and in team training. It depends on how we respond to that, but we have a legitimate hope that is ready. So they're interested in calling back Odegaard, may come represent them. So that one said it did. So more just the watch. Now, for another thing, we now Arsenal want to let us know. So Guy Clichy identifies serious issue at Arsenal after Champions League win. Gets now you're gonna look at Arsenal, say, because they ask whether Arsenal will win the Champions League, but I'm gonna say I don't know if they can win it. Clichy remarks. It's a long journey, and in this competition, you need a bit of luck. You need your players fit at the right moments, and you need to perform in big games. First of all, that you need your players fit. That's the way they disturb us this season. Injuries, left, right, and center, everywhere. Now our where will get problem this season be that. So I just hope say everywhere will do okay for us. So make our players they recover on time. We waiting to do the likes of Manchester United and Liverpool in the past. So injury won't finish them. But you know do all this season, I beg. Now my own prayer be that get. So even the Mirror Collector say Arsenal have been told to face huge Mikel Arteta drama. Arsenal have been told that they will face huge Mikel Arteta drama if they don't win the league. And no be lie, because according to a person with the talk, William Gallas is going to say if Arsenal allow Liverpool manager and slots to first time, like if Arteta allow him to first time win the league, say Omowala go do like fans go revolt, because this season Manchester City is significantly weaker without Rodri. Rodri now be the team with the glue where they gum that team. Then they protect them. Without them, they go to score, but their defense go to open for you to score back. That's why when you look at the way games they go now, they struggle to win games now. So now because of that Rodri, so that is why now it's open season. Tottenham Hotspur fistic better, Arsenal fistic better, Liverpool fistic better. Now open season for everybody. That equal chance. Anybody can see winner. Liverpool can win now because Man City no be like Man City we know of before. In fact, well, but just watch as it be. Me, I subscribe to what about the talk. You feel not really on that, if you don't see where they come from, but I know say if Liverpool first win this league, Master fans go para. Hey, everywhere go scatter. Say, see and slot to just come which day. Now we come with the league. So Gala say for me, that's why if Arsenal doesn't win the league this season, it's a big drama. Gallas was telling Prime Casino. It's a big drama because you have to think about Arteta being in charge of that club for how long now? 5 years. 5 years! And they haven't won the league yet. If Liverpool wins the Premier League in Slot's first season, what does that say about Arteta and Arsenal? It would create a huge amount of drama. People go para, people go talk many things. You might even hear Arteta out. I bet, give me 1 minute, speak and drink water. Come on. Go easy. All right, so another report we're going to hear now, we say the tide has turned a bit right now. Who is saying this? Rio Ferdinand. He was naming the favorites to win the Arsenal versus Liverpool match. Now, Ferdinand is of the opinion, say, when it comes to form, momentum, I would say 100% Liverpool. I think they are the team that you look at and go, they're in a better position to beat Arsenal for this game where they won't play like this. With injuries, Arsenal seem decimated in that sense. And they haven't got the momentum at the moment. Even though Arteta, they say, believe me, we are going to be flying on Sunday. They are not firing on all cylinders. They are not the Arsenal of last season. At the moment, I like the fact that they say, at the moment for now, because some key players are missing and Liverpool have almost everybody available. Apart from maybe Diogo Jota and Alisson. The rest are available. Now, in final verdicts, but they say Liverpool, the tide has turned a bit right now. Brilliant few games into the season. But right now, I would say Liverpool are probably the favorites. And at the end of the day, Baba say Liverpool will beat Arsenal when you read the entirety of that report. On the other hand, Gary Neville can predict, say, for him, the way in the see an Arsenal win against Liverpool. Because Gary Neville gave a bold prediction as he tipped on an Arsenal win here. Now, Gary Neville going to say for him, say no one made the match end 0-0. I don't want a 0-0. I can't watch a 0-0 on Sunday. I hate 0-0. 1-1, 2-2 is all right, but I hate 0-0. Neville said. I think 1-1 is like a good shout, like a decent result, but then draw. But I did see Arsenal 2-1. That's what I said. So at the end of the day, now Arsenal 2-1, now in the see for that match. So you know, expect anything below that. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, I don't know what you want to see. You see this match, for now, I never want to talk. I go wait Sunday morning. Not really Sunday morning, like 1 hour before the game when the lineup come outside. Now, the lineup now go help me make an informed decision on who go win this match. Because let's assume say Saka no day, Odegaard no day, Calafiri no day, Simba no day. Baba, what we won't do again? How won't they enter them? Because these are some of the people who say go make things happen for us. Saliba no day, Tomiyasu no day. Many players will say we will give us option. How our backline go be? Yesterday Sky Sports they talk say Jacob Kivior and Gromgard. You don't want me. Jacob Kivior and Gromgard they were back. You go confident. And Zinchenko will come to the other side. Oh man, that disaster be that one. I want to do them. So the lineup, regardless of whatever Arteta is saying, leave Arteta and then get him out. Now the lineup now go decide whether the match I go fit put body say yes, this match go win, or I go say or even if na draw go manager and the lineup now go determine. Because Liverpool is coming with all their arsenal, everybody. They want to beat us to make a statement. Because when you are 7 points ahead of us now, what's the remainder? And Man City come beat Southampton, come go 6 points. Baba, title race don't end. So very, very important. So my dear Arsenal lovers, like usual, if you're enjoying the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us so that our show will reach more and more people as they share as you do so. God bless you guys. All right, so the biggest news of the day. I mean, if I say cut off side, let us know say Arsenal are ready to bring Dusan Vlahovic in January because they know say Thiago Motta will be the coach of Juventus in the eye Benjamin Sesko because in the eye Joshua Zexi, but that one no work for them. So he's eyeing Benjamin Sesko and Dusan Vlahovic. He never agreed contract extension with Juventus. Maybe the guys have done they already handwriting on the wall say if to say on our side Joshua Zexi, maybe I no go come and look my side. So now if you say January on the reach, maybe make I find my square roots, go where they value me. Yeah, because even still there, they can't go sign Sesko, can't join her. Baba, that guy Benjamin feel long because let's say that coach know really bad in style, but it is what it is. So my dad stand over. I think the fine place for us to call the show and end. So till I come your way in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out. All right, guys. Bye bye.